What's up, folks? San Joaquin here. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. I had an amazing Thanksgiving with family. I want to give you guys a treat. I think you guys are really going to appreciate this video. When I seen it this morning, I died laughing. Actually, I'm still alive, but I'm alive to show it to you guys. So here we go, folks.
No, thanks so. Hey, go home. Go home. Go home. Go. Hey, hey, hey. Get back. Hey, hey. Go ahead. Get out of the road.
You jive turkey. Quit jiving me, turkey.
I think I'll be okay. Hey,
Jive turkey.
get back. Ah. Get back. Get back.
Who's the jive turkey now?
I know you guys appreciated that one. Seems like cops are always trying to bully even the turkeys. Looks like them turkeys were not going to have it from this jive turkey. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching that little short clip. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.